Hello and welcome to Jackson's Job. Today we're going to learn how to make peppermint buttercream. Here are the ingredients you'll need if you want to follow along. In a large bowl we have half a cup of softened butter, 113 grams. It's unsalted, so we're going to add in a pinch of salt, or 0.25 grams. If your butter is salted, please do not put the salt in or it'll be really salty buttercream. And if you're trying to watch your salt intake, you don't have to put it in at all. All it is a flavor enhancer. Next, you want to beat this until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then you want to add in peppermint extract, and this is all subject to taste. Start out with a quarter teaspoon, about 1.25 milliliters, and you can go up to a half a teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters or more, but I recommend that you add the remainder in at the end if you're not sure if you're going to like it or not, because if you add in too much peppermint extract, it can actually taste like toothpaste and not like a mint buttercream. Next, you want to add in 1¼ cups of powdered sugar, that's 156 grams, and add it a little bit at a time. And you want to beat this in at a low speed. By beating it a little bit at a time, you're going to have less of a mess, and it's also going to be less gritty, and it's going to be a very smooth buttercream. Now this will give you a very thick, spreadable buttercream, perfect for making cupcakes or frosting a cake. If you want to thin it out any, just add in some milk and do it a teaspoon at a time, but it's not necessary. I have found this is the perfect consistency for piping out peppermint buttercream frosted cupcakes. That was really hard to say. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy baking.